Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to give you an update on the one and the only Kaspa, the super altcoin that's going to explode here in this next run. Obviously, on the channel, we're very bullish on Kaspa, and we think that it's going to really achieve insane goals, and we will be going through the bull market targets towards the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. To start off this, we're going to be going through it on a technical analysis perspective, looking at some short-term micro targets, and then also some potential buying areas for either a DCA if we do see some downside, or just continuously buying it as this thing goes up, because it's a goddamn gold mine in my opinion, right? So starting off here on the hourly here, we did actually have a patron trade, a paid trade, which we didn't actually see activated, unfortunately. We didn't get the entry that we were looking for here. But if you are interested in getting paid trade signals, my trades here, you can go and do that. Just go sign up on the Patreon, and you can actually get 3 trade setups per day. These trades I am taking, and we have probably around a 95% success rate. Super good. If you didn't want to pay, guys, you can actually just sign up for free and get a free BTC trade every single day as well. Moving on back to Kaspa TA in general. So let's get rid of that for a second. Let's just have a look here, because as you can see, parallel channel pretty prominent. The range that we are talking about here is essentially from 18 cents 25 to around 17.4. So right now you can see the pattern that we're emerging inside of this right now. Support on the lower side here, resistance on the top side here. Okay, so this basically gives us 2 prominent range areas for us to be looking out for there, which will be essentially super reactive in terms of the price. Okay, in terms of momentum from these zones, really strong. So that means there's essentially quite strong potential 1% trades either side here between this 4.46% range that we're talking about. Grouped up moving averages on the hourly, that's not great. Okay, it means essentially that there is potential for an explosion to the upside or the downside. Who knows right now? But if we are looking at the micro market structure, it's clearly quite bullish. Okay, it's clearly quite bullish. I think these are macro trend lines coming through. Let's try to scare you off a bit there. Yeah, you can see micro uptrend looking pretty strong. We are breaking highs. We are setting higher lows here. It's looking pretty good overall. I do want to see this high get broken at around 18.2. And if that does happen, then we do have a little bit of work to do, guys. We've got the 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute, and the 60-minute volume weighted ATR band spreading out like a goddamn spider web here, okay? This leaves us with quite challenging pockets between them all. And these pockets, I mean, they're usually really good for trading. So it's great for us if we're intraday trading here. But in terms of having that initial super bullish breakout, which I know a lot of you are hoping for, and having that insane run to the upside, it does make it harder having these grouped up moving averages like so, right? This can change quite quickly, but the fact that they are moving apart is purely because we are in this micro consolidatory consolidation period here for Kaspa, okay? So yeah, when we do see some upside or downside, these guys will get closer together and easier to move around with in terms of price action. Quantum Insight, guys, let's have a look at that. Overextended momentum to the downside obviously caused a very nice bit of a bullish momentum here. Lovely little bounce here. And that is why we were talking about the Quantum Insight yesterday here for that patron trade, because there was going to be a clean bounce here with overextended momentum to the downside. All right, so yeah, it was looking pretty good there. And what we're seeing now, okay, we're seeing stochastic climbing up pretty high on the hourly. That does insinuate a reversal, and as you can see, when we do see these crossovers to the top side in terms of stochastic, guys, let's just bring this up to the chart. You can see reversal, move to the downside. Here, reversal, move to the downside. Here, reversal, move to the downside. Here, reversal, move to the downside. Okay, so you can see how reliable this is, having this stochastic on the Quantum Insight indicator here, and the fact that we're climbing up to this level does give us the probability that the rejection is imminent. Okay, and imminent, it could be the 15-minute, it could be the 5-minute, it could be even just above that around 18 cents, but a rejection will happen. Okay, it will happen as long as this stochastic keeps going up with this current micro trend. It won't keep going up if we do see consolidation here, guys. So that's something to be looking out for there. But there is potential trades here if we do see stochastic to the upside sort of exploding. Yeah, definitely a few things to be looking out for there on the micro. Now, moving on to the macro side of things, because I'm sure you guys are itching for those bull market targets for Kaspa. So let's jump to the daily and see what we are working with here. And I must say, just overall, Kaspa does trade really nicely. It's a really nice asset to trade. And if you guys do want to go and trade that, you can go and do that on Prime XBT. Okay, they're sponsoring this video, and essentially they've devised loads of welcome bonuses for you guys, for my community only. Okay, so if you deposit $500 to any trading account, you get $100 bonus straight away, and also $200 for $1,000. $2.5 grand, you get $500. $5 grand, you get $1,000. So you can actually go in, deposit your $5 grand, take it out, and then have $1,000 to trade with in a trading account. So it's basically free money. All right. If you want to get involved with that, links it in the description. But big shout out to Prime XBT for sorting that out for you guys. Moving on to more of the, as I said, the macro side of things for Kaspa right now. I don't really like the look of all these crazy trend lines coming through, but hey ho, we work with it. In terms of market structure here on the macro, just going to jump to the weekly. You can see that all these yellow lines here, these are the market structure higher lows. So as long as we're above the most recently confirmed higher low at 10 cents, then we're in a bullish sort of market here. I mean, this chart just looks bloody beautiful looking at it overall, guys. Nearly coming up to all-time highs here for Kaspa. Overall looking really, really, really strong there. In terms of bull market targets, in terms of targets here for the next 6 to 12 months, the first target for Kaspa for me would be up at around 37 cents. That is just over a 2x from where we are now. And then after that, guys, I will be targeting Fibonacci extension zones. Okay, so let's draw some of those in now. And I'm going to be going from the low to the all-time high currently. And this will give us sort of a bit of a couple of targets here for the next 6 to 12 months for us to realistic targets as well, right? The next target is 75 cents. And then the final big target here for Kaspa is 1.81. Okay, so if you are to buy now, if you want to go buy, you can do that on Prime XBT. If you were to buy simply just now and hold it to that bull market target, you're nearly making, or you are making, a 10x on your investment here. Absolutely crazy stuff. That's a stupid amount of money. You put in $1,000, you're walking away with 10. You put in 10K, you're walking away with 100. Okay, put in 100. Guess what? You're walking away with $1 million. So those are going to be the bull market targets here for Kaspa. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, because I think they're pretty realistic with the way that this chart has been behaving. It's looking really, really, really good overall, guys. So yeah, let me know what you think and drop a little like on the video if you could. Before we end this video, guys, I just want to talk to you about the Crypto Chester Patron. As you can see, we offer loads of different memberships here, and in these memberships, you get spot trading alerts, access to all the indicators. There's free ebooks in there with $1 million strategies for this next alt season that we're going to see. And also, if you're fully down to commit into your trading here, you can actually get the biggest package, which is $104, and that basically includes all 100% discount on all crypto masterclass courses and all other educational courses here for New Money Network, and also access to everything else as well. If you did just want to sign up as a free member, you can do that as well. By signing up as a free member, you will actually get access to 1 free Bitcoin trade per day. And then obviously on top of that, all the paid members will get their trading alerts coming through here. Basically 3 paid trade setups. And on top of all the other indicators and strategies that we've got alerts going off in Telegram, and primarily hosted in Discord. Also in Discord, guys, if you want to join the Discord, you can. Every membership will give you access here, and essentially the Discord is amazing here, guys. We have early new projects here for you to get involved with, as well as giveaways, live TA, trading alerts, and also signals and all that good stuff as well. So yeah, if you want to get involved with that, you can. All the links are in the description for the Patreon memberships and also the Discord as well. Thank you ever so much for watching the Kaspa update today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section again. And that's going to be it from me today. Thank you ever so much. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.